Hello, in this video we're going to investigate the density measurement of liquids. Actually, we can measure the density using a cylinder. First, let's measure the mass of an empty measuring cylinder, and then we pour some of the liquid into the measuring cylinder and measure the volume of the liquid directly. Use as much liquid as possible to reduce the percentage error in your measurements. And then measure the mass of the cylinder and liquid to enable the mass of the liquid to be calculated. So first of all, we have calculated the mass of the cylinder, of the empty cylinder, and then we calculated the mass of the liquid with the cylinder. Then we subtract the quantities in order to find the mass of the liquid, and hence we can find the density of the liquid. Recall that to find the density, the equation states that density is equal to mass divided by the volume. And we have calculated the mass by subtracting the two quantities, the mass of the cylinder from the mass of the cylinder with the liquid, and we have found the volume using the measuring cylinder. That's it.